multifunctional nanocomposites in the silicon carbide, aluminum oxide, silicon, aluminum, oxygen, and nitrogen system for armor plates, turbine blades, high temperature and wear resistant nodes. By Z. Kovzirids, N. Nijradze, G. Tabatads, M. Emisvils, N. Daraxvelids, Z. Mestvirisvili and V. Kinklads. The goal of the study is to obtain the composite in the silicon carbide, aluminum oxide, silicon, aluminum, oxygen, and nitrogen system with the metal thermal method in the nitrogen medium. Methods: Sialones are solid metal oxide solutions in nitrides. The area of their presence is considered in a 4-component system: silicon nitride, aluminum nitride, aluminum oxide, silicon dioxide. In the present paper, silicon nitride containing composite was obtained through an alum thermal process in the nitrogen medium on the base of geopolymer, Colin and Pology clay, Ukraine. Silicon carbide, aluminum nanopowder and Si powder with additives of Perlit, Argats, Armenia, by the reactive baking method. The advantage of this method is that compounds, which are newly formed thanks to interaction going on at thermal treatment. Silicon nitride, silicon, aluminum nitride, are active, which contributes to CaON formation at relatively low temperature, at 1250 to 1300 degrees Celsius. It is evident that inculcation of ALN in the crystal skeleton of beta silicon nitride is easier, since at this temperature interval crystal skeleton of silicon nitride is still in the process of formation. Results: beta silicon aluminum oxynitride was formed at the sinting of SiC aluminum and silicium powder, geopolymer at 1450 degrees Celsius. The porosity of carbide SiAlON composite obtained by reactive sintering, according to water absorption, equals 13 to 15%. The samples were fragmented in a jaw crusher and were powdered in an attrition mill till micropowder dispersion was obtained. Then samples were hot pressed at 1620 degrees Celsius under 30 megapascals pressure. Hold time at the final temperature was 8 minutes. Sample water absorption, according to porosity, was less than 0.5%. Further studies were continued on these samples. It should also be stated that the strength and wear resistance of SiAlONs increase in their presence in silicium carbamide containing composites. Conclusion: the paper offers processes of formation of SiCSiAlON and Al2O3 SiAlON composites and their physical and technical properties. The phase composition of the composites was studied by X-ray diffraction method, while the structure was studied by the use of optic and electron microscopes. Obtained materials are used in protecting jackets of thermocouples used for melted metal temperature measuring, 18 to 20 measuring, for armor plates, turbine blades, and blades, high temperature and wear resistant for nodes, and for constructions used for placing objects in factory furnaces. The mechanical modulus of materials was calculated according to the formula of Z. Kovzirids. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.